Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out the FlowGo EV charger, and FlowGo did send this over to us for free for us to check out today. Now, really nice. You can charge up to 40 amps. I have mine set to 32 because I have a 40 amp breaker on there. You don't want to exceed 80% of the rated capacity on that breaker. It has a nice little holster right here. There you go. There's your connection. Also has a cover that you can use on this. Boom. There you go. Just like that. And your cable on this is going to be 25 feet long. And let me tell you, nice, thick, bendable cable. It has been a little bit cooler here, and I haven't noticed it, getting stiff or anything. So that's really nice. Here's your display on here. And I've just got mine extra cable wrapped around here. It does have a little bit of extra space back there. Should be plenty of room for you to wrap it up if you need to and not get in the way of your holster. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the install process with you guys really quick. Literally took me less than 10 minutes to install this. Super easy to do. And I'm going to go over some of the app functions as well. All right, so installation on this is fairly simple. First, we want to make sure we can properly reach the height that we are going to mount and not have too much of a kink in there. So it looks like right below my old mount is a good spot for it. All right, so we measured it off, and then they give you this little template so that you can easily do it all. I think right there looks about centered for us. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a push pin on there. I'm going to level. And now we could drill our 3 holes. Now, the instructions said 8/16, which obviously sounds like an error. We're going to go with 5/16. That sounds a bit better. All right, let's see how that works. All right, yeah, that's perfect. So 5/16 is what we want to use. We can go ahead and remove the template here and install our anchors. All right, next thing we're going to do is take our mounting plate and line it up. All right, mounting plate is on there. All right, next thing we're going to do is take our main unit and put it up here. Should just slide right inside those grooves. Just like that. And then there's 2 little screws that we'll put in here. Small screws. It's kind of dark back here. Probably going to be the most complicated part of this whole install. But still easy. All right, so we've got it mounted. Let's go ahead and plug it in. All right, so we've got it installed now. And it does have a nice holster right here so that you can keep it up out of the way. And we're going to go ahead and take this over to our vehicle. And all we got to do is hook it up. And then we'll go back over here. And I currently have this set up to charge at specific times, but you can also go into the app and have it just a plug and play. Plug it in, it will automatically start. You can also adjust the amperage in the app as well. Speaking of the app, let's go ahead and go over that. All right, so the app that you are going to use is the FlowGo app. So we'll go ahead and open it up. And right there you go. You see that it brings up our vehicle. Now, whenever you first set this up, you will need to go in and add the charger to your account. And that is easy to do. You'll just go down here to Me in the bottom right. And then from there, you will select charger. I went ahead and bypassed that last screen because it has some of my personal information in there, but you will add a charger and it will automatically locate it, and then you can add it on there and name it and do whatever you want with it. Another option in that settings menu is going to be to add the type of vehicle you have. I have a Ford Mustang Mach-E, and then of course you can go in here and add whatever vehicle you have. Another thing in here is you can do some alarm settings. So if you want some like overcurrent, under voltage alarm, over voltage alarms, you can have those enabled. You can change the unit settings on here. I have mine set at Fahrenheit. You can change your electricity price. I live in Oklahoma and our electricity is really cheap, only 8 cents. And then you can change your current settings. I have mine set to 32, and I believe the highest you can go is 50.
but I'm going to keep mine at 32 because I have mine on a 40 amp breaker. You also do have the user manual available in here if you would like to access it. Now back here on this main screen, it's going to give you all types of information. I've had it hooked up for almost an hour now. I've got 6.5 kilowatt hours charged. It's going to show me the cost, show me the time lapsed, 15 minutes to be exact. It'll show you the temperature of the unit. It's going to show you voltage and current. Like I said, I have mine set at 32. I currently have it set on plug and play, but if you turn off this plug and play option, you can change the mode to a schedule. So if electricity varies by time, which I know a lot of places it does, you can have it set to charge in the middle of the night so that you are able to charge for a cheaper price. And as far as the app goes, that's pretty much it right there.
All right, so that is the FlowGo EV charger. Overall, really nice product here from FlowGo. Easy to install this. Like I said, 10 minutes to get it installed. You just plug it in, you're good to go, and then you can use this, plug it into your vehicle with that plug and play option as well. So even if you don't have the app, boom, you'll be going. Now, if you do have the app that you want to use, you saw tons of functionality on there. You can start, stop it, program the times and everything on there. It also keeps track of how much electricity and your price on there that you're paying for electricity, which is really nice. Easy to wrap this up, keep this cord out of the way and everything. Overall, I really like it. I think you'll really like it as well. A great price for this right here. Some of these do get really pricey, but I think the price on this one is really good. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and check out the FlowGo EV charger.